Elon Musk lookalike banned from Chinese social media for online interaction with the American billionaire. So the lookalike actually found a way to talk directly to Elon? Is that right, Will?
I think so.
But is the lookalike was doing some type of deep fake, or no? Am I crazy here? Maybe you need to fill me in, Will. Chinese man has gone viral on social media for his facial resemblance to Elon Musk. Oh, so this doesn't sound like a deep fake. But his Chinese social media account was recently banned by the Chinese authorities, dubbed Yilong Ma on social media. Musk's doppelganger in China caught the attention of the American billionaire in December 2021 when a short video showed him standing by a car in a garage with his face looking like a copy of Musk. Elon Musk tweeted humorously on December 20th in a response, "Maybe I'm partly Chinese." Can we get an image of this?
I don't know if this is actually real because it would have shown Elon's tweet. But let me just...
Are we getting spoofed?
Maybe.
I thought this was a real news show here. Yeah. That looks like a deep fake. I mean, that's not real.
Kind of does, eh?
Yeah, that's not.
The lighting's off.
Well, what have you done to us here? I mean, I don't,
Well, he is doing videos.
Okay, can we play the video and then decide for ourselves based on what we see here? Is there a way to play it? No, of course there's not. Yeah, of course there's not.
But I'm sure we can find it online.
Because look at that. Click that other one. Click that one. There's no way. Get out of here. No way. American billionaire Elon Musk said he would like to meet a Chinese man who shares a strong resemblance with him and has become an internet celebrity. On Monday, Musk said, "I'd like to meet this guy if he is real." Hard to tell with deepfakes these days. Oh, he's making a joke. The whole thing's a spoof. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on, Will. What you doing to us over here?
Yeah, they're not playing the video. Anyways.
Yeah, I mean, there's reason for that because no one's going to believe it once they see the video. I saw him standing next to the car. I watched a video at one time.
We showed it.
But I immediately said, oh, it's deep fake. But either way, does that mean the guy wasn't suspended? I mean, the guy producing, that's the video I've seen right here. Click it. Maybe without the music. Yeah, it's
obviously looks so fake.
It's a deepfake. Yeah, which is fine. I don't have anything. There's been deepfake TikTok accounts, Instagram accounts, and it's existed in the past. It's still tough work, and I'm curious why he would be banned for this. But
I'm kind of curious too. Is it because can be misleading? It is a deep fake. But then again,
they seem to indicate that the reason for the suspension was somehow to do with him interacting directly with Musk or Musk responding to the existence. I have a feeling we're not going to really know.
Yeah.
There could be. I don't think it's hard to get banned on Chinese social media. I think you're banned.
I'm definitely
not me, but you for sure.
Yeah.